Good morning. As y'all see, sun over there, but we're gonna keep it rolling. But good morning, y'all. Y'all know today is Wednesday and Aldi got a new ad, plus they have some new candles. I don't think I'm gonna buy any candles. Y'all know last week I skipped and they did have candles, so I'm gonna show those candles this week, even though I know y'all probably already seen them. And I'm gonna show this week's candles. Also, before I really get into this, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. You're doing all those things. And if you follow me on Instagram, you are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keeps posting. And thank you for always supporting me on all of my platforms. I truly appreciate it. Y'all, like I said, Aldi got some candles. We're gonna go on here and we're gonna see what they look like, because I don't think I'm gonna buy any because of Candle Day, Bath and Body Works Candle Day, and I don't want to really waste no money on Aldi. And I know more than likely these candles are still gonna be around, you know, for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna do that. I got so much to do today, so I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do 2 videos or do I just want to do it all in one? Leave in the comments, let me know, do y'all like long videos? Do y'all like videos that's longer than like 15 minutes, or do y'all really like videos that's under 15 minutes or under 20 minutes, I should say? Because it's very hard trying to edit a video down to like 10 minutes. It's so hard. It's hard, especially when you have so much you want to say and so much you want to show. So it's kind of hard doing that. So leave in the comments, let me know, do y'all like long videos? Somebody just pulled up next to me. So leave in the comments, let me know, do y'all like long videos or do y'all like the shorter videos? I don't know. So, but let's get in here and let's see what they got, because like I said, your girl got a lot to do and I don't know if I want to do it in 1 video or 2 videos. So let's head in here, let's get this little portion out the way, and then let's take care of the rest of the business that I need to take care of. So let's go. Oh, this thing's huge. This thing's big. Super big. Ooh. That was really nice. The lady paid for the other lady's her purchase, her items. That was super nice. I caught the end of it, but that was really nice. A really nice Christmas gift to somebody. She ended up paying for her groceries. That was a blessing. That was a blessing. Oh, okay, y'all. I'm back in the car. Let me throw my glasses on. That was really nice of that lady to do that, to purchase that lady groceries. That was so nice. That was a blessing. That was a blessing. The lady was so happy. She was literally crying. That was a blessing, because you just never know what people is going through. And the fact that that lady just did that, a blessing. That was so nice of her. But like I told y'all, I have so much to do today. Hopefully I could get this video out early, but more than likely it probably won't be. So let's head on to the next task, and then we shall. Okay, y'all, I'm actually back at home. And I just I didn't do anything I was supposed to do at all. Let me put some stuff on my lips. I didn't do nothing I was supposed to do. I was actually supposed to go to Bath and Body Works, but I didn't have time to do that because it's actually almost time for me to go back to work. So I decided to just I decided to just come on home and do this real quick. Yeah, I decided to just come on home and do this real quick. I actually need some lotion on my hands. Yeah, I'm not even recording from my home camera. I usually, when I'm at home, I usually record with this one, but I don't have a lot of time, so I'm still recording with the GoPro. Oh my gosh. But I did not make it to Bath and Body Works. I had to get my plates for my car, so I did that, and that took some time. So yeah, I'm good on that part. I'm just gonna have to do the Bath and Body Works stuff tomorrow, but I really wanted to end this video with something more than just Aldi. So I guess I'm gonna show y'all my Bath and Body Works. This is some of the candles I ordered on Black Friday. I placed the order on Black Friday. I also placed the order with Zara, but the stuff is still on the box. And I just got the Fashionably London perfume. This is their newest collection. I think this is with the Vibrant City collection. Again, this is the Joe Malone collaboration with Zara. I ended up getting this, and I got the Discovery Pack as well with all of the fragrance inside of it. I have not smelled these yet, but this is the whole collection. I haven't tried these yet, but I will try them very soon. I'm actually wearing this perfume today. They say that it's similar to that Delina, I don't know the name of it, but that Delina perfume, they claim that this is a dupe for that. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I really like the dry down more than I like the initial spray. When you initially spray it, it's very floral. It's kind of strong to me, but as it dried down, I love the softness of it. Yeah, how soft it is. This is nice. This one is nice. And again, it's $29.90. That is not a bad price for Zara fragrances. And I do own a couple of Zara fragrances. Let me show y'all. I do own a couple of their fragrances from the Joe Malone collection. This is actually, do I have it in here? So yeah, as far as the, this is like my second, I don't even know what the other one at. This is like my second Discovery Pack from Zara. So yeah, I got that, and then these candles. Yes. The candles. My hair is like everywhere. So let's open this box real quick. I should be using that other camera. Not to say that I don't like the GoPro. I love my GoPro. I really do. I really, really love my GoPro. And if y'all don't know, y'all see these boxes over here. Those are actually candles that I need to put up. I don't know if y'all see that in the background or not, but whatever. The first candle I grabbed, this is the orange ginger. The orange ginger aromatherapy candle. It's looking a little weird. Yeah. It smells very orange, and you get that orange note, and you most definitely get the ginger note. So I think I bought this to exchange, actually. That is Joy. This is the Sugar Snickerdoodle. Y'all know I did have the Snickerdoodle candle before, but I returned it and got something different. But I really wanted this packaging. Like I told y'all, this Snickerdoodle candle, this ain't something that you have to rush for. You can always get this candle. They always have the semi-annual sale. Yeah, you'll be able to get this 50% off, probably 75%. Who knows? But this one, you do not have to run for unless you want this particular packaging. If you want this particular packaging, then okay, yeah, run for it because this packaging might sell out. Who knows? But as far as this scent is always around. And again, it smells super good. Oh, I got another smoked vanilla because I really, really love smoked vanilla. So I decided to grab another one because I really, really like this packaging. Oh, I love this packaging. So I decided to grab another one of those because this is stuff I don't want to be buying on Candle Day. No. And then I decided to grab another Mountain Teak Wood. So good. This is a very, very nice candle. This is good. This is good. This is good. So I wanted to just get a backup of this. So yeah, that's why I grabbed this one. But don't get it twisted. If I need a candle to exchange out, so yes, and my last candle I got is, and actually this was the 20% as well. This was buy 3, get 3 plus 20% off. And the next one I got was a backup of this blackberry creme frosting candle. Yeah, so that's the last one I got. Last candle I got. And the very last thing I grabbed was a wallflower plug-in. I had to have this. This was online exclusive. So you cannot find this in the store because this was online only. I just thought this was so cute. I thought it was so cute, and the regular price was $22.50. Well, actually it says I paid like $9.24 for this. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad for it to be the regular price of $22.50 to pay only $9. That wasn't bad. And it looks as though I paid $10.50 for each candle because it was buy 3, get 3 plus 20% off. So basically that's all that I got. I thought this thing was so cute, but for some reason I thought it'd be a little bit bigger. But I think it is just so, so cute. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it at. I don't know yet, but I really, really wanted it because it's almost like having White Barn, you know, inside my room. Because that's what it says on the top. White Barn, if you can see that. And it looks like one of those old school stores that you see like when you go to the country, you know, like a farmer's market store. That's what it kind of looked like to me. So yeah, I really wanted that. And it does light up. It is one of these light up plugins. So yeah, that's basically the end of my Black Friday haul. That's everything over these last, 2 videos, I believe. So that's it. Now get ready for Candle Day. And yeah, Leave in the comments, what did you buy for Black Friday? What are you getting for Candle Day? Or you set for Candle Day? I know I'm ready for Candle Day. I just got to put a whole lot of my candles up so I can get ready for my new candles. And that's it, really, y'all. So, yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know, have all of your Black Friday orders came in yet? Are you ready for Candle Day? Leave all that in the comments area, the comment area. And I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Your girl need lotion. Also, follow me on Instagram. Hit the notification bell. And I guess I will see y'all in the next one. The next one. All right, y'all. Peace.